Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matt, your gamer here. Welcome back to another video. So, you guys might have seen that I had a mouse that I just got. Here, ignore the knife. I use that to open my unboxing thing. I got my mouse. This is gonna be there's gonna be a second part to this where I'm gonna show the mouse and the keyboards, like customization stuff where I could like change the colors on it and stuff. But that's what it looks like as of now. It looks pretty cool. It's all hooked up to my PC. It goes all the way in the back. And so here's my old Cooler Master Storm keyboard. And now I got my new keyboard because I wanted to get a keyboard and mouse. I got, this is a GX Gaming-Manticore Dare to Battle the Competition. It has 20 anti-alias ghosting keys, master record function, 24 programmable macro keys, 2 USB ports, 32 KB onboard memory, and 6 media keys, and you can get this off of www.gx-gaming.com. So that's where you can find that. Alright, cool. So if you look over here, this has RGB, full color, 16 million. So now if you look here on the box, there's this section which is all one color, then there's this section which is all one color, and then there's this section which is all one color. And this color match. So you can customize each individual section as a different color, which is pretty cool. Let me see if I can throw it up on its side right here. Let's see if I can get this thing to freaking focus. Alright, we got, I think this is 10 million key switch life, 45 mechanical key simulation. Sorry, I can't talk right now. And that has 1,000 hertz report rate and a 1.8 meter cable length. I don't know why I said 1.8 million. Anyways, yeah. So I got this off of Amazon. It's a really nice keyboard. It was around 68, something like that. All right. So if I pull this out a little bit, let me pop open the top here. If I can like crease the box a little bit so it stays. There we go. All right. So this is a little bit better unboxing than the last one. So it's Manticore Dare to Battle. If you wish to read that, go ahead and pause the video right there. If you want to read that as well, pause the video and take a look at that. And over here, this is what the GUI looks like in your computer. There's that, then there's that. There's your color spectrum, that's the name of the 16 million. Then there's more information right here. Read that. Read that. Alright, cool. Now we get to the fun part where we actually get to look at the keyboard. So here's the keyboard. Bend this out. There we go. Click off that. Alright, I'm going to need 2 hands for this. I'm going to use my stand from earlier. Alrighty. Let's open this thing up. No idea if you guys can even like see my face or anything. I'm just pretty much talking to myself at this point. Let's see, let me pull this out. Alright, so keyboard itself, then we got an instruction manual, and then we got driver's disc. I'm going to need that. Throw the rest of this crap on the floor. Alright, cool. So let me just take the plastic sleeve off this. I'll give you guys the laydown of what's going on. Let me rest that on my chair. Let me just take the plastic off if I can. Now I can. There's a plastic coating to keep fingerprints off of the plastic during shipping and handling. Trying to get that off. There we go. Squeaky clean. That. Alright, cool. Let me grab my camera here. Alright, here we go. So here is our keyboard. We have our macro keys. Then we have your media buttons at the top. Your profile buttons at the bottom for your macros. You got your numpad, all that good stuff. Here's your 2 USB slots. Nothing on that side, just on this side. I think they just made it look the same for keeping it symmetrical. If I flip over our keyboard right here, we got our cord, and actually the cord can inlay into the actual keyboard, so that there's our cord, there's our inlay. So if you want it to come out the left of the keyboard, the middle, or the right side of the keyboard, you can do that. Then it has rubber tipped not like kickstands. I want to say kickstands, but something like that. Anyways, let's see. So the keyboard itself is semi-mechanical, so it's like a mixture. I don't know if you can hear that. It's like an in between a mechanical and like a regular just keyboard. It's good. The enter button, my friend looked at it and said it was kind of funny looking. I think it's just big. I don't think it's that big of a deal. But besides that, you got your like wrist rest right here, and I think it's a pretty solid keyboard. So, if I can, I'm going to try and unplug my keyboard and plug this in. But you guys know how it takes me like 5 minutes to unplug something and put it in. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to try it first try. See how well this goes. I don't even know where the flip my freaking keyboard goes. Back here. Okay. There's my keyboard. Oh no, I lost it. Fuck. Goddamn, I had it. Wait. Okay. Alright, wait, if I follow this back. Oh, it's in a really awkward spot. I don't know if I'll be able to get this one actually. I'll pull it out. See if I keep my hand there. Can I do some kind of yoga pose and grab my keyboard? Yes, I can. So if I can just sit my keyboard over here. I'm trying to like make sure I don't lose the spot of where I'm supposed to plug it in, because that's the part that's annoying for me. Oh, this uses 2 USBs. That sucks. I don't know if I have enough USB ports. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna have to find something out here. Or actually, they both connect into what? I don't know what the fuck is going on right here. Feed it through the bottom. Moving shit all over my desk. I don't know. God damn. What is this thing? Alright. It's not gonna plug in because it's being a little bitch and it's gonna take me a little bit. But I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna get that thing plugged in. So don't you worry. It's gonna happen. So that was part 1. I'm gonna plug all this shit in, and then I'll make a part 2 with the mouse and showing all the coding stuff and all that. So see you guys then.